What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So as most of you know, smart glasses have been around for a while now. But here's the thing, most of them either look bulky and awkward, they feel heavy, or they sacrifice privacy. Well, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at these AI glasses from Dymesty, which took all of those concerns into consideration. Now Dymesty flipped the script on AI glasses completely, and not only are they stylish titanium frames, but they're also ridiculously comfortable and packed with a ton of AI features. And these glasses are launching on Kickstarter on August 19th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now I want to thank Dynasty for sending these frames out to me early so that I can check them out, review them, and share with you my thoughts and opinions. So let's take a look at them and talk about my experience. Now, imagine wearing glasses that don't scream tech gadget, but can translate over 100 languages, transcribe meetings, remind you of appointments, and keep you from leaving your phone behind. And then here's the kicker, there's no camera. Now that's not a missing feature, that's a choice. And in this video, I'll explain why. Okay, so first things first, these frames from Dymesty are made of full titanium alloy. It's lightweight, it's durable, and overall, it just feels super premium. And they weigh just a little under 35 grams. With a patented U-shaped hinge that flexes to fit without squeezing, these glasses are super sturdy and durable. Now, the design is minimal, but professional, with two available shapes. The Job Circle, which is round, and Cook Circle, which is square, plus options for sunglasses or prescription lenses. Okay, so why did Dymesty skip the camera? Well, for three reasons. First, comfort first. Without a camera, these glasses are lighter, better balanced, and more comfortable for all-day wear with the always-on AI features. And then second, battery and performance. Glasses with cameras often compromise battery life and smooth operation. Dymesty keeps things running efficiently for up to 48 hours. And then third, something most of us are concerned about is privacy. No lens means no one feels watched, and you can wear them in sensitive environments without any kind of concerns. Now honestly, this makes them perfect for offices, boardrooms, and client meetings, and also places where a camera would be a deal breaker. Now over the past couple of weeks, there were several days where I wore these from morning to night during long commutes, meetings, and even dinner, lunch, and breakfast. Now, what's nice is when you're wearing these, there are no hot spots, there's no pinching, and there's no heavy bridge weight weighing down these glasses. It's just a clean, elegant accessory that blends right into your wardrobe and style. Now, what's nice about these glasses, aside from its design, are also the built-in AI features.
Hello, how are you?
You've got real-time translation, which is perfect for travel or international calls. And what's nice about these frames is it supports over 100 languages. It's also great for meeting transcription and summaries, and requires you to only tap once to get a clean transcript and summary, which you can retrieve later on your connected mobile devices. In addition to that, you've also got smart reminders to do things like remind me to call my wife at 3 p.m. when I need to pick her up. And the glasses also provide discrete alerts and reminders. In addition to that, it'll also alert you if you forget your phone by buzzing when you leave your phone behind, which I know is a lifesaver for a lot of people. And then what I like best about these glasses is it's also got built-in ENC noise canceling for calls, which means clear private audio even in noisy spots. Now, from a hardware perspective, these glasses are equipped with a Qualcomm processor, and because of the no camera design, you get outstanding efficiency. You forget to charge overnight? Well, you've still got about 60% battery the next day. Now that's unheard of for any kind of connected device or eyewear. Now when it comes to usage, these glasses do an excellent job fading into your daily life until you need them. Then they're like a super-powered assistant on your face. They handle language barriers, meeting notes, reminders, and can even handle navigation, all without pulling out your mobile device. In addition to that, These glasses have also got these small little speakers positioned perfectly so that you can hear any notifications or prompts from the built-in AI assistant without disturbing others around you. And then one thing that I gotta commend these frames for is that the sound from the glasses beams directly to your ears for super clear and crisp audio and prompts. Now, something to consider if you're looking at buying these glasses is that it is still a bit early and the project does hit Kickstarter on Tuesday, August 19th. But from what I've seen and experienced so far, these glasses are super cool. The team at Dymesty have put together a nicely designed, full-featured set of glasses that have a number of existing features that I'm excited about. And I'm sure there are definitely a lot more to come. Now, if you're a business professional, a frequent traveler, or you're just someone who wants AI in a discreet, stylish form, this pair of glasses is one to watch and definitely one to check out. Okay, so here's the deal. Again, the Kickstarter goes live on Tuesday, August 19th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you back early, you'll get exclusive pricing before these hit the mainstream market. Now, if you're interested in picking one of these up for yourself at a discount, I've dropped the link in the description section below. You'll definitely want to check out the campaign, the specs, and see why this could be the future of smart eyewear. Anyways, that's my early hands-on with these Dymesty AI glasses. They've got premium style, all-day comfort, and powerful AI without the privacy baggage. Now, if you enjoyed this review and video, please support this channel by hitting that like button and subscribing. I do also plan on reviewing these again as more features and updates come out, so please also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post follow-up content on these amazing glasses. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one.